Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build this fence. It's plain, it's simple. I took all the effort of making it. From now on you can make it in an hour and a half. So guys, as you can see, I made a slot there. That's to fit the part of the under table that's in there. And then I also made another cutout that's to fit over here. And I removed 10 millimeters from here because that is where my workbench top will be lying. So I already made provision for that. Now when I want to fit it, the arm is in my way, so I'm gonna remove this arm and then put it back again I'll keep it off until I get my workbench, and then I don't need the additional arm anymore. As you can see, I'm only working from this bolt and this bolt because it's not necessary for me to use my fence on this side of the table. I'll only be using it to the right hand because that's how I'm comfortable, that's how I work. It's always to the right, I won't use it to the left. So I'm stopping my fence right here. So I removed the additional arm or extension, I'm not sure what it's called. I fastened this, I did my cutouts. There and on this beam on the inside. So that's done. I'm now going to drill the holes to attach it to the machine completely. So that's fastened. I just added the 2 screws that came with the machine that I took off the old fence. I've leveled this with my eye as far as I could see, but this don't bother me that much because once my bed is coming on from my workbench, I will fasten it here so that that's level, and this will actually push it down or push it up and giving me a flat fence system to work with. So I'm quite excited. It's coming coming on nicely. Yes, as you can see, it's more or less the same, maybe a bit up. Yes, so now to work on the sliding mechanism.
So now to align my fins with everything I've built, just show you my parts. I want to use this slot as a guide to see. It's supposed to be parallel, completely 100% parallel with the blade, if the factory was right. So let's see. I added this piece of wood to support it more. That is exactly 90 millimeters at the back. It's about half a millimeter less, so I need to adjust it a bit. Yeah, that's about right.
So I fastened everything, my screw, but there's way too much play there. So I'll make a few adjustments and see if I can get it right. So guys, I'm tired, struggled a lot with a fence or a clamp, can I say, a clamp system. So this is my trial. Did lots of tests on it, and then yeah, this was my old one that would sit like this, and then this would be on the inside, and there was too much play on the fence itself. So basically from this one I made a new one, hopefully a better one. So as you can see, nothing complicated. This is the space of my wood that I use there, 18, maybe say 20 millimeters. There's a little bit of gap. That will close once you screw it tight. Then you can see I tried welding there, nearly set my whole project on fire. So I'm gonna leave the welding to the pros. Maybe you guys can show me a better way. And then what I've done is, and I'll show you now, I did cut off a bit of wood here to make this mechanism a one piece. My previous one was two loose pieces, so basically this was tied to the fence, and this one also tied to the fence, but that didn't work. It had a lot of play on. So let me show you the new one. So I did cut off a bit here because this was level with my bed, but that didn't work. So now I made this. It's a bit like this, but once you fasten it, it actually clamps quite with some force, and the more you turn but I'm afraid the screw will damage my wood. So I'm still looking for something to add there, so that I don't damage my main fence. And then also I want to add some wood here to make my grip more to the fence. So this is now basically the perfect setup that I came up with. It's something new. Once this is fixed, I hope it will work. So this is tight. I'm gonna glue this on for now, let it dry. I'm gonna put a decent amount of glue and then come back in an hour and fasten it with screws. I'm gonna use the blade as my guide, and I'll somehow slide it. Okay guys, so this is a metal ruler, these normal metal rulers that we can buy everywhere. I just took it to an engineering shop. They've cut it for me exactly at 18 millimeters, so I just clamped it down because I want to check if it actually cuts. If you say 10 centimeters, then it cuts 10 centimeters. After that I will take some adhesive and just glue it on here. I didn't plan this, but I'm fortunate enough the ruler actually passes underneath my fence system. So there's about another 2 or 3 millimeters in clearance. So I'm very happy about that. I didn't have to make any modifications to the rig to get a ruler on, or a measuring system. So I'm gonna show you now how accurate it cuts. So I don't have, this is the 0 line. According to the blade, I'm measuring from this block here. I don't have anything else, but this will work for me. So just to show you, when it gets to the blade, yes, it will stop. So after I'm done testing, I'll add a little stop block there, so that I know if I push it against there, then it's at 0. And it will also help me not to damage the fence. So I'm gonna put it at 10 centimeters, 100 millimeters, and I'm gonna do a cut and see how accurate it is. I put it on 10 centimeters. I'll have a look there. That is exactly 10 both ends. So I'm very happy with that. So that's it for my fence that I built for the Makita MLT100. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the subscribe button and give me a like. It was quite a work, so I'll appreciate every subscriber, every like that I can get. And remember, when you build this, even if you build it different, the force is always straight through the machine and not on your fence that much. So don't try and build something that a bulldozer can't move. This one's got play, I can hardly say there's play, maybe like 0.5 millimeter over a 900 millimeter length. So it's strong. This is something new that I tried and it's working perfect. I like the knob, the screw effect. My measuring tape is fastened, so everything is perfect. Thanks a lot for watching.